Hi guys, I'm Chanel and welcome back to my channel. We are on episode 3 of my Solotica review color contact lenses. Today's color is Cambodian green. She is the last of the Aquarella color contact lens line with Solotica I received from them, and I have to say, hands down, she's my favorite out of that line concerning the 3 colors I got from them from the Aquarella collection. These greens are so freaking pretty. I can't even say. I've never had like a vibrant green on my eyes, and this one it just takes the cake. She's just so pretty, so vibrant, and I'm liking how she looks on me. I don't know, I'm just like, she's like perfect for dressed up every day. I just feel like she's good for any and everything. Like, who doesn't want flippin' green eyes that look this natural? Like, she is so natural. I absolutely love it. But let me get over the logistics for you all who don't know about Solotica already. Solotica is the world's most natural color contact lenses. Solotica has their own contact lens site that you can shop. To get these, I am partnered with them. Use my promotional code up there to save you some dollar bills, because you don't deserve to pay these prices, let's be honest. And for you all who are hesitant, do know that Solotica contact lenses are US FDA approved and internationally stated to be safe to wear, so you don't have to worry about hindering your little eyeballs at all. They are great for those with prescription as well as without, because you can get either, and they even help with astigmatism. If you need to get a prescription for astigmatism, they got you in that department as well. And with shipping, honestly, it's the fastest shipping I've ever seen. Like, honestly, you get free shipping majority of the time if you pay over a certain amount, which is like not hard to do at all. I'm pretty sure you have to like spend over $70-$80, which you're gonna do buying yearly contact lenses or just 2 pair color contact lenses with any of their monthlies or like dailies. Just buy multiple and you're good to go. And you get free express shipping. They ship to over 60 countries and you receive it in 3 to 4 business days, which is phenomenal and a lot faster than what I get my prescription contact lenses, because that will take a week, so let's be honest. Oh, when you do get your package from Solotica, it looks like this. Nice tropical theme for you, and inside you get cute little stickers for those of y'all who are interested, as well as a quick for you guide which goes over how to insert your contact lenses as well as store them. So it's great for beginners. And inside your box, of course, is also your color contact lenses, and each contact lens comes with its own storing case as well, so you don't have to worry about running out and grabbing one of those. Like I stated, this is part of their Aquarella line. This Cambodian green, she is a quarterly, which means she's only good for 4 months of wear, but I personally have stated I like, because I feel like the shorter the wear time, the more comfortable she is. Hands down, this Cambodian green is the most comfortable out of the 3 color contact lenses that Solotica gave me, because y'all saw in the last episode, Hazel and me did not vibe concerning long wear. I had an allergic reaction pretty much every time. And then the Belize gray, they're comfortable, but only up to so many hours before I feel like my eyes are like starting to get dry and things like that. But I never had that issue with the green ones. I don't know why. Same contact lens line and everything. I don't know why. These are so much more comfortable, and they're so pretty. They're so pretty. But just to give you some logistics, as I stated, these are the Aquarella Cambodian green. You get 2 lenses when you purchase them, your left and your right, and they're only $50. Solotica describes these contact lenses as one of the rarest eye colors. Cambodian green is a must-try lens for all green eye lovers. Striking green shades blends with subtle green amber tones, offering a beautiful finish, making this lens suitable for any occasion. Aquarella Quarterly has been developed with the most recent and pioneering contact lens technology, so you can achieve dazzling green eyes without compromising compromising the perfect vision. Now, I don't know what dropped first in the Aquarella line, if this was the first or the last, but basing off their wording, off their website, she makes it sound like she was the last and she has the most up-to-date technology within her because she's darn comfortable. Like, I don't know I'm wearing these like that. I think the only complaint with these, which is the same across the board with all my Solotica contact lenses, they are not as self-cleaning as my prescription ones. Like, protein and buildup on them, I'll get a slight haze throughout the day kind of thing with all of them, and that's just the reality of it. But the comfort in the wear, I don't feel like my eyes aren't irritable, it doesn't dry out on me, I don't feel like I'm wearing them. These are the most comfortable out of all of them, to be honest, and the green is so striking. I love it. I love to wear these, especially when I am wearing pinks or greens, to just really make sure they pop out. I love making my color contact lenses match my outfits now. I don't know why, it's just I have freaking 8 of them, technically 9 altogether, so I'm like, why not? But yeah, no complaints with these. Absolutely love the color. She's comfy, like I said. Yeah, that's it. Nothing bad. I wish the video could be longer for you all, but that's just the honest truth and the tea with about these. But of course, if you guys got questions, I got answers, drop it down below. Definitely, if you're trying to get you a green girl, get this one. But don't be paying that $50 price. Use my discount code up top that Solotica gave me to save you some dollar bills. And let me know how you feeling about this particular color. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna be diving into some yearlies. Ooh, yes, who's excited? And I will see you guys in my next episode. You all take care. Bye.